Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So welcome to Saturday Morning Challenge of Friends, where me and Joyce, excuse me, we get together and challenge each other to use our products. Joyce Channel will be in the description bar below. So make sure you go check her out as well. You guys just rate, comment, and show us some love while we continue to challenge each other among friends. Hello, everyone. Okay, so me and Joyce are back. We are back after a hiatus. All right. So, this time we decided we've killed 6x6 pads before, but we've never did a 12x12 kit. So that's what we decided to do. So I pulled out I had this full kit, the Flower Market by Echo Park. I have nothing to show you because I used everything. So I got this from Tuesday Morning for $6.99. It was 12 sheets of paper and 1 sticker sheet. So the first thing that I made was I don't have all the dies and stuff I use, so I'm just gonna show you. This was a 5-folder album that I saw on Graphic 45 YouTube channel. So I just remade it with this paper and the stickers. So, and then you have a little pocket right here. So I just put some of the color cuts aparts in here. This was fun to make. That stamp set, the place photo here is from May Made It. She and Genevieve released a 6x8 stamp set, and so I bought that, and it has different things for photos. And like I said, I don't need to pull them all out. It does the same. Okay. And that's the back. She shows you how to make, I forgot who designed this, but they show you how to make the little spine, little fold over spine piece and all of that. So that was first one. The second project is that I made one of these right here. And I just adorned it with the stickers. And then I just wanted to give it something extra. So I just used the tiny attacher to staple bloom. At this point, I was just trying to use up paper. Because I cut out the base of my stuff. And then I went back and tried to decorate with what was left. So that's the carrier. I forgot what they call it. Bag thing. Okay. And then next, okay. So I took Anna Griffin Create 7. So it was my anniversary. We were celebrating our anniversary. So I didn't actually get to attend the class, but I did start it on the replays. And so I made this ribbon bound. She called it a ribbon bound journal, a junk journal. But that's what I made. Now, this is a super easy journal to put together. The only thing about this is that it does not, the die is longer than 12x12 paper. So I end up having to use some longer sheet of paper that I had, cut out the base, and then recut the papers, which is a pain for me. So, but like I said, and then in the Create, she show you how to do the spine, the little X. I didn't care for that, but you can just see the beautiful die, and that is using the Sizzix Opulent Rose Gold paper pad, just so you can see the back, since the front is just. And when I was cutting it out, my paper slipped, so I had to put something up there to cover that because I only had the one sheet, so it's not like I could go back and, redo anything. But this is the pocket that came in the kit. The die has a lot of different pieces to it. Phenomenal, easy to put together, and stuff like that. I just put stickers. Like I said, I just started stickering everything because I was just trying to just get rid of them. Cause me and stickers, we don't roll like that. So yeah, but the journal was easy to put together. I probably still have to watch it again just to do the binding because I'm not used to that. And so I struggle with I had to go and buy a needle big enough to use to do the binding because they didn't send a needle with the kit. She said it was a last minute edition. So you get 3 signatures in here. And it's supposed to be a junk journal, but you know, I didn't do it. I didn't decorate it a whole lot because like I said, I was limited on paper. So I'll show you what's left. I can go and add some tags or different stuff like that, maybe, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing is this little, isn't that cute little, I think this is KS Crab. I may be wrong, but I think Nicole Silhouette designed this, but I got this off of Amazon. I don't order from AliExpress because it takes too long to get the stuff. And so I just rather just wait till they bring it into Amazon and I get it in 2 days. Pay a little bit more, but you get it in 2 days. But it is so cute. It came together like that. All right, and then the last thing that I did, which was the easiest, which is why I kept them for last, I took one sheet of 12 by 12, and then I made some cards with it. Here's one. And I used that rose. This is roll goals from Michael's, and then I just added scraps on the inside. So whatever scraps I had, I just put them on the inside. That one was flat. This one I popped up and just added. I pulled one out of Joyce book with adding the forward to it. It does make simple cards pop. Simple pieces pop. And I just used those 3x4 cutter parts. It didn't have any 4x6, so. And some were all the way flat. Some I did add dimension to. And I just tried to milk the, I just tried to milk what was there. I got all this out of 12 sheets of paper. And then this is the last one right here. All right, so I got how many cards? I think this was 6 cards. 6 cards. 5-folder album. I forgot what you call this thing, the house something. A junk journal. And I guess, mini clutch. And then let me grab what I have left. All right, so this is what I have left. This is just the ends off the paper. What I can use, this little piece, and I actually have another one of these kits. So I will be just chunking it in. I noticed that depending on where you buy their collections, they have different stuff in them, different sheets. It's sort of weird. But you can see that's all I have left. I used every sticker, which got on my nerves, but I was determined. I used every sticker, and that's all I have left. So it's dead. This kit is dead. We done pulled the plug. It ain't no life. It done transition over to the other side. Okay, determine where it's gonna go. And that's it. So like I said, these little pieces, I can make tags and stuff, but I also sick of this paper. It just got on my nerves so bad. Because after I started working with it, I decided I didn't want to use it. And so I had to force myself to go ahead on and get it done. But the good thing about it is that my mojo is coming on down. I will be back with some other videos since my mojo flowing. I have the designer project that I need to share. So I'll be back to share that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you check out Joyce Channel to see what she created. And hopefully Saturday morning challenge your friends will keep it going. But you know, me and Joyce do this for us and our entertainment. So if anything pops up, we'll just take a little pause and then we'll come back because you know life happens. Okay. All right, you guys. What I was gonna say? I'll be back. Look, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll be back with another video, you guys. I hope you guys like my projects. This is, now out of all the work I put into it, this is like the cutest thing ever. So shout out to my friend Faith for suggesting I used it, because I bought the die from Amazon. It's just been sitting here. I never used it until today. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Bye. I'll be back with another video, not videos.